Welcome to Lexington's Phosphorus and Stormwater Runoff presentation. Today we'll be discussing our Charles River watershed reduction requirements. In this presentation, we're going to be talking about phosphorus and stormwater, the regulatory background, and how you can help as a resident. Stormwater can carry high levels of nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus into our local waterways. When nutrient levels increase, they fuel excess biological activity, such as algae growth. This can lower dissolved oxygen levels and alter the pH of the water, which creates stress for aquatic plants and animals and can disrupt the ecosystem. We've already seen real-world examples of this. Health officials in 2016 warned about a blue-green algal bloom in the Charles River, a direct consequence of excess nutrients in the water. This shows why managing stormwater nutrients is so critical for protecting both water quality and public health. Stormwater picks up phosphorus from a variety of sources before it reaches our waterways. Large developments with lots of impervious surfaces, like parking lots and rooftops, prevent water from soaking into the ground, so runoff carries phosphorus quickly into storm drains. This can be reduced with green infrastructure, such as rain gardens, permeable pavements, and vegetated swales. Construction sites can also contribute phosphorus through eroded soil, which can be controlled with compost-filled filter tubes, silt fences, sediment basins, and rapid soil stabilization. Everyday activities add nutrients too. Pet waste left on lawns or sidewalks can wash into drains, so encouraging owners to pick up after their dogs helps reduce this source. Leaf litter along roadways also contains phosphorus, and programs like street sweeping and leaf collection help prevent it from reaching waterways. Collapsed or damaged pipes allow sediment and nutrients to enter streams directly, so regular inspection and maintenance of stormwater infrastructure is critical. All of these sources eventually end up at outfalls where untreated stormwater enters rivers and lakes, highlighting the need for structural stormwater controls and other interventions to capture and treat runoff before it reaches our water bodies. Lexington is regulated under the EPA's Municipal Separate Storm Sewer System, or MS4, general permit, which falls under the Clean Water Act. This permit establishes stormwater management requirements, including mandated reductions in phosphorus from stormwater runoff. These requirements are federally driven and guide much of the town's current and future stormwater planning. Meeting these requirements is challenging, both technically and financially, which is why coordination and collaboration are so important. Working together across municipalities, regulators, nonprofits, businesses, and residents helps reduce costs, improves results, and strengthens advocacy with the EPA as stormwater regulations continue to evolve. Stormwater regulations vary depending on the water body and its impairments. An impairment occurs when a water body cannot meet its designated use, such as swimming, fishing, or drinking, because of those pollutants. Total maximum daily load, or TMDL, is the maximum amount of a pollutant a water body can receive while still supporting its designated use. Lexington is part of 3 watersheds: the Charles River, the Mystic River, and the Shawsheen River. For the Mystic River, phosphorus reduction requirements are included in proposed updates to the MS4 general permit. Although the permit has not yet been finalized, and these requirements are not yet in effect, they are expected to be implemented in the future. This presentation will focus on the Charles River TMDL. The Massachusetts MS4 general permit sets precedent-setting stormwater phosphorus reduction requirements for 34 communities, including those in the Charles River watershed. These requirements vary widely depending on local conditions, ranging from as little as 42 pounds per year to over 5,200 pounds per year. The goal of these reductions is to help the Charles River meet water quality standards and support its designated uses, as outlined in the EPA's MS4 permit. The Phosphorus Control Plan is designed to reduce total phosphorus in stages over 20 years. In years 1 through 5, Lexington created the Phase 1 PCP plan. During years 5 through 10, The goal is a 25% phosphorus reduction, which will be achieved by implementing Phase 1 and creating Phase 2 of the plan. In years 10 through 15, the target increases to a 50% reduction as Phase 2 is implemented and Phase 3 is developed. Finally, in years 15 through 20, the plan aims for 100% phosphorus reduction by fully implementing Phase 3. This phased approach ensures steady progress toward meeting long-term water quality goals. As of today, Lexington has achieved a reduction of 123.6 pounds per year of phosphorus through permit year 7. We are on track with our phase plan. The target for permit year 8 has already been met, and we need an additional 10.4 pounds per year of phosphorus reduction to reach the permit year 10 goal. This progress shows that the town's ongoing stormwater management efforts are effectively moving us toward long-term water quality targets. Phosphorus reductions in stormwater are achieved through stormwater control measures, or SCMs. The total phosphorus reductions are calculated according to the permit rather than physically measuring the phosphorus removed. For example, 1 acre of medium-density residential impervious surface is estimated to contribute 2 pounds of phosphorus per year, while treating 1 inch of runoff with an infiltration basin can remove about 1.8 pounds per year. Communities can earn total phosphorus reduction credit by properly installing and maintaining SCMs, whether municipal or private. It's important to note that SCMs must be maintained over time to continue receiving credit toward phosphorus reduction goals. Lexington's program to reduce phosphorus relies on a combination of coordinated strategies. It begins with maintaining an inventory of existing stormwater control measures to track performance and identify needs. The town updates regulations and tracking systems to ensure compliance and monitor progress. Education and outreach help residents understand their role in reducing phosphorus, while non-structural source controls, such as street sweeping and leaf litter collection, prevent nutrients from reaching waterways. Finally, constructing new SCMs adds additional capacity to treat stormwater and achieve long-term phosphorus reduction goals. Together, these efforts form a comprehensive, phased approach to protecting water quality in the Charles River watershed and soon the Mystic River watershed. There are simple ways residents can help reduce phosphorus and protect Lexington's waterways. You can adopt a drain by volunteering to care for a local storm drain. Some people even give their drains names. Another option is to volunteer to install storm drain markers, which remind the community that these drains lead directly to rivers and streams. Installing a rain barrel at your home is another easy step, capturing rooftop runoff and reducing the amount of stormwater carrying nutrients into local waterways. Every small action contributes to healthier rivers and streams. Residents can help save the town and taxpayers' money by installing and maintaining stormwater control measures that reduce phosphorus in runoff. SCMs are physical systems designed to capture, store, and treat stormwater and can include rain gardens, subsurface infiltration chambers, permeable pavements, green roofs, and vegetated swales. These systems help reduce flooding, control erosion, and improve water quality by capturing, slowing, filtering, or infiltrating stormwater before it reaches rivers, streams, or groundwater. Once an SCM is installed, it is critical to inspect it annually and perform any required maintenance. After inspection, residents can help the town earn credits towards phosphorus reduction goals by submitting a simple online inspection form through the town's permitting system. By participating, you directly contribute to cleaner waterways and cost savings for the community. If you own a stormwater control measure on your property, it's important to inspect and maintain it on a regular basis. Annual inspections help ensure the system continues to reduce phosphorus, manage runoff, and protect water quality. After completing an inspection, private property owners should report it to the town using the Stormwater Control Measures certification form available on OpenGov. If you're unsure whether your property has an SCM, please contact the Town Engineering Division for guidance. We've also posted a short video that walks through how to inspect and report an SCM on the town stormwater webpage. In addition, We have donated an inspectional toolkit to the Library of Things, allowing residents to borrow the tools needed to inspect their system. Through smart stormwater management and community action, Lexington is reducing phosphorus and protecting our water bodies. Thank you for watching.